Yeah, the truth is, if iyafuneka imali for survival yabona, and manje ngibonile ukuthi okay, that previous way yokwenza imali, well, it works. It works, but most of the time inenkinga ekugcineni. You understand, in terms of you might be arrested and then uyoqala phansi uluze yonke lento le. So hence ngicine ngithi no, maybe let me use my brain and come with the ways so ukuthi ngithole what I want, but ngiyenze the cleanest way, ngendlela right. I mean ngendlela right, and ngendlela engaziyo ukuthi ekugcineni angeke ngibuyisele prison and angeke izwe somunye umuntu obuhlungu. Because mina the whole thing crime, if there's something engisola ngayo, I was trying to survive ngepain omunye umuntu. We used to pride ourselves ukuthi sispine ejozi, and then by ejozi you mean awuspinele umuntu omnyama, awumoshele umuntu omnyama, but eventually igcine iba ukuthi sesimoshela wonke umuntu, sesibamba inkunzi ekasi. Sengisele ngiyiwani ke manje. Okay, I have ukuthi manje ngiyenze that time kuba nomunye umngani wami. Lo mngani wami lo, I've known her from a prison. So ugele soba sengigowa ngibuza, emfethu uyagowa kanti? Athini yazini? Kunemunye umshikashika osushaya. Athi hayi ungayi cry ngoba ngiyamtshela ngithi he knows my story. Athi ungayi cry mina. Umshikashika oclean osharp. Some of the things, because of abantu ba desperate and stuff, they don't know ukuthi bayenzana. Abantu bayazibopha because part of le mshikashika ekhona lo mshikashika abantu bakubuildela i-profile out there. For instance, mina ngibuye ejele, ngingena ejele ngincusi isikele, angina credit record, angaze ngasebenza, a clean credit record in terms of angakayenzi. But you know most credit score how it works. You'll never get anything until uvuli credit and then you pay it off. So they build that profile for you. Most of it ayikho clear uzubona ukuthi umshikashika, they don't tell you the whole truth. Remember, and ngaso sikhathi wena ufuna imali, they're going to tell you njaka, we're going to build a credit profile yakho. You are hamba kwamampela, you're going to open an account. Bane inside person wabo elsewhere. Bane inside person wabo, just take my word for it. You go lapho umuntu wabo makafika ukuvulela check account. Umuntu osebenza ebank. They don't akayenzi zonke lezi zinto lezi because of they are in it kule scam. Bakuvulele your credit, bakuvulele your check account. The check account ayihlali ku. That was my first question. How ngivulele account engahlali kimi, but khululeka ihlala kubo. The SIM card uvule ngayo i-account ayihlali kuwe, ihlala kubo. Okay, khululeka themba thina. Every month kungena imali into your account. When I remember khululeka sithembe njayami sizontazinga. And then
so what do you benefit out of that?
My man, build a credit profile first. A bank starts now. We can give you a credit card. We can give you a loan. And then understand. And then you can even qualify for a car finance or a whatever. That's where the catch is. You don't know when. They are running it on your behalf. Bayipusha. Most of these things izofuna wena egcineni angithi. Bayipusha until after maybe 5, depending on yabona credit score yakho seyilapha ko 7 something, ko 6 something, seyikhuphukile. During the 3 months leso sikhathi leso uyancengiswa whatever we client, that's what they call you. Uyancengiswa bazokupha yokubamba umoya, something yokubamba umoya. We are still cooking njayam siyeke sipheke, let us cook. What they want to do labantu laba ekugcineni kuzophuma ipay uzo qualify for into manje loan, to qualify for a loan, and based on the profile ebayibuildile yakho. If banks is a system, the system looks at that and then it generates how you can get the 130. That's the best you can get, 130 loan. And then 30 loan in your name. You don't know. Wena, the only thing ebazo phela umalambane, remember guys. Bayokuthatha i-loan, babathatha i-loan, you don't know anything. When uye bank, mawufika bank, you fika usayile. You don't know what is it that you're doing. whatever, utazinge, most of it, ezinye ba-apply online. You don't know anything. You're just applying online. The only thing efuneka ku bank kuzofuneka wena ke ma set up your bank thing, online banking, digital what kuzofuneka bazoscanner your face. That's where udingeka khona. Uscanner nje your face ufake ipin, you never going to see even nemali phakathi kuthi imalini. Abaqeda bakugayeme say 15k. Bathathe 150 in your name, for example. Bakusendele 15k. To you that's huge. And then babaceda, they're going to do whatever they do in your name. When we're humble, you don't know anything. And then they're saying they're coming back. So khona enye sayikhukha ntwana, this time mhlambe sothola into. And then you never hear from them. But what you don't know ukuthi bona bathathe 150k in your name. So ngicine ngirealize ukuthi okay, most people, more especially masengilandelela sengifunda, baningi ama scams la. Most people don't know ukuthi bayenzani. Umuntu uyafika uyenzile le nto le, bona abamtshela iqiniso, bazomtshela ngale mali azoyithola, because bethema sengifind out sengiyenza, most people bathola ama 7000. Bayabathumelela ama 7000 ama 10k, and then into bangayazi ukuthi leyo nto le, most of them, that's not leyo le mali bayithola, it's a fraction of the actual money bayitholile, but the problem ukuthi isala in your name, and then in a sense it's a fraud committed in your name because of it's false pretense. I remember I had a dream, because joba sengitshela ukuthi I had to ukuthi ngiyeke this thing yokuphuza. I had a dream, kule phupho lelana ngizibona ngisemotweni and ngibona umuntu uyangidubula, angishaya manga angishaya kulelo phupho, ngizibona I'm conscious ukuthi okay lo muntu uyangidubula, and ngibona ngathi ngathi ngiyabona uyangidubula lo muntu, uyadubuleka, and ngiyabona into eyenzeka, like I could see ngathi as if ngathi mayenzeka in real life, ngathi I recall yonke into eyenzekayo, but ngathi in the name of Jesus, and then ngaphaphama ngathi before angidubule, ngathi kuyabona ngathi yenzakile, ngathi the moment ngithi in the name of Jesus ngathi yaba reversed into yakhona ukuthi okay khatheka la uthi uyangidubula khona, and then ngiphaphama ngangidubula. Okay, ngitshela igirlfriend yami, hey aze ngibone kwenzeka so, and then ngathola i-accident, and the way accident ngithola ngakhona mina bengi black out bokudrive enye intwana, akusimo chayisile bokudrive enye intwana, and balimele baphume bonke balimela, zanke ngilimala. I kind of connected it to that dream ukuthi esana opeke the way le dream lelenze ngakho la bengidakiwe, angibone next benginto, and nama ngiphuma ikari limele bachayise i-light street lamp, bashaya street lamp sawa le lamp leyana yawa iphula imirror ngawa yawa wela phansi, and mangivuka lapha ngivuka ngihlaba ifo, like into yenzeke lapha I can't tell, because umunye ugirl ungitshela le ntwana level ngiyazi, intwana eku hijack ithanda imoto, futhi bengitshela ngalelo langa lele bengitshela ukuthi ceda kutola ikari, iqala le car. So umunye umntana ungitshela ukuthi le ntwana le ngathi nomngani wakhe mangihamba nabo lapha ngibona ngilokhile bajuthene ukuthi okay asibulale le, so sikhendle le car because it's a brand new car. Lokele lo makangitshela, because lokele uye washo ukuthi mfethu mina into engizwile, because and ngiyamkholwa, because lo mfana lo uye waphika wathi uye beka drive, uyawaphika taxi uye beka drive, futhi bayangafuni nokungibona, so I sense ukuthi kuna something wrong. So ntombazane yangitshela mfethu lo muntu lo, mina istory engisizwayo ukuthi lo mfana uthe makakubona ukuthi wena ulokhile, because ngilokhiswe ukuthi bengishoota Friday, bengishoota i-matric dance, bengishoota Friday, and ngapha bengilibele ngidrive the whole day Friday yakho, and then ngihamba ngayoshoot eTsakani, mangibuya mele ngiye eSandton ngiyolanda istaff eSandton, bengine staff, ngafike ngalala. I remember ngingalala futhi from lapho before wes kunesinye staff sentwana yami naso bemele ngabalanda. I remember I slept around boma 2, mangivuka Saturday yakhona ngiyoshoota umncwabo mangifika umncwabo khona abantu bakhona abafune kuphela umncwabo khona, since ngifike lapho ngo7 ngibuye ngo5 since ngimile, so bengikhathele, and mangiqeda ngahamba ngayobona usisi wami la endofine, ngeza la endofine ngibona usisi wami until mangiqeda sengidlula ngithi ngiyoshaya ibeer yana A1. so kula ngilokhiswe into engilokhisile le ngalokhiswa ukuthi azange ngilale so lentwana le nomntana lentombazana ithi intwana le ithe mayibona ngilokhile bavele bajuthana yazi badakile siqede le yabo so bebahamba ngemoto intombazana mayishuthi bebahamba bebathi bayongikhimbila bayongiqeda and then joba sebachayisa le because nami didn't make sense ngichayise kanjani bafethu see mangibheka kunamoto yibo nje bavele bachayisa ipole street pole kanjani and maya akafuna ukukhuluma uthi akusuya beka driver nene ulimele like windscreen ikari ilimele balimele boy2 mina ngilimela ngiphume ngena bengine scratching yanesincane like nothing and mangikhumbula kahle so into yakho azange ngimake sense bengigibele phambili mina bengigibele la ku left intwana le driver ngidrive isikhiyabe sikimi isikhiyabe silako Slingback iyantazinga press and go yabo but you can't do isikhiya singekho so isikhiyabe sikimi so bengihleli la mara mangivuka sengivuka ngisemuva isiti yasemuva idonsekile angunderstand kanjani why isiti yasemuva idonsekile namanje isiti yasemuva idonsekile ngisemuva and inhloko zabo zi2 la so azange ngimake sense like nothing made sense lapho so lentombazana mayingitshela ngithi maybe yakwamampela abafana labo bayongikhimbila labo because vele bachayisa kanjani bafuna lapho because lentona le besiqhamuka from besikule side yaseMroka police station so besingamelanga sichayise ngale besingamelanga sifike ngale sifika kanjani because and futhi mina bengibheke ukuthi la sihamba khona sihamba emakasi mangabe kuzoba ne problem maybe ukhwepha imoto bekuyinto nyane encane because bengithi siye kubo masifika kubo sofike sipake ngaphandle silale and then ngizovuka sengivuka mina sengidrive because ngiyakhutheka ukuthi I couldn't drive sengilokhile ngezwe ngidakiwe sengilokhile lokhu ukuthi ngishaya ubuthongo yabo and ngapha lentombazana ngitshela ukuthi into bazenzayo look like lately ngiyengayibona ku Twitter kunenye into bathi bayalalisana ngazi bayenza like azange ngiunderstand ngavela ngadecide ukuthi ngabuye kutshwala because angiunderstand yonke lento le ukuthi kwenzeke kanjani doesn't make sense lapha kube ngifeel into engayazi I connect another dream hey maybe le dream le yana besho ukuthi just like bengibona umuntu ofuna ukungibulala and mangithi in the name of Jesus yabuyela le nto le yaphela yakhatheka and then ngabona ukuthi angifanga mhlambe that was that scene yabo ukuthi bemele maybe bezongibulala lezi and then sithatha ikara zoyenza mhlambe vele ngayeke utshwala ngayeke igada same time ngithema ngeka zonke lezi zinto that's when I started gravitating towards working my spirituality no but ke thina sengibuyela ngenza ama-apps sengibuyela kuma digital stuff sengizenzela ama-apps ngizenza ama-apps
wana
the first app engiyenzile ngenze iBible app yeah suke ngayenza iBible app suke ngayenza in a sense that like ezoba more interactive in a sense that abantu bakwazi ukuenjoy iBible app so that bakwazi ukupha iBible a chance because I was like mina how I was ukuthi ngishintshe because I know I wasn't a good person leyo I can't dispute I wasn't a good person and bengilimele I was broken but my change came about the Bible mina to be honest angishintshanga ijele akusijele ishintshile because I've seen ijele alishintshi abantu it's either you can be corrupted to kudlulela or you can but mina I had to it's like I'm convinced manje okay kwamampela most of izinto engizenzile namanje njoba ngiphumile could tell ukuthi angifuni into has to do with ukulimaza omunye umuntu like I don't want it ngiyabona every time angimele ngenze into more selfish ukuthi ngilimaza omunye umuntu ngiyabona ngathi okay for sure kwamampela iBible has changed me reading iBible have changed me and ngaba umuntu enguye so I was like and I know the thoughts nami I had the mentality I had iBible labelungu lize ngabelungu linama contradictions iBible linamanga all those things uCain umfazi wakhe ini zonke lezo zinto lezo were the stumbling block ezenza ukuthi kube nzima for a person to give a Bible a chance so I was like but when I gave a Bible a chance and as a result I was able to change and then be able to accept that my part I played kulelo cala because all along bengayi accept I had to accept my part. I played kulelo cala and other things engizenzile. That's why I had to understand why ngiboshiwe. Ngathi do ngiboshelwe into ukuthi I don't deserve ukuthi kuboshwe mina ngiyi-one. Especially if bekhulunywa iqiniso ngecase mhlambe bemele mina kube ngithole 5 years for that last part engiyenzile. A person who can judge for how it happened beyazi ukuthi okay wena sokupha small for your last part oyidlalile yabo, because usuke wazithele emsopeni. You had to think out of the box. Either you fight or you do something. Gcine ulo ngathi okay, someone maybe bengatholi a lenient sentence, but ngcine ngithola all the sentence for me and I'm the one who's suffering. But ngaba naleyo nto le ukuthi okay, for all the other crimes I did other crimes bengaziboshelwa, so I believe ukuthi I had to change, and that conviction is because of the Bible and the fact ukuthi ngikwazi ukurealize ukuthi to be honest abazali bami had nothing to do with what happened, how I chose to live my life, because all along bengine excuse yami ukuthi bafethu ngikhule kanzima, mele ngihlanganise, mele ngiphile, mele ngizame. But yeah, ngimele ngizame kwamempela, but ngimele ngizame ukubulala, kubamba inkunzi and then all these things, you understand? So I was justifying my doings ngithi abazali bami, but after ngifunda iBible I had to fully accept and take accountability for my wrongs. So hence ngicine ngithi let me do iBible app mhlambe some people out there in a way that can be catchy banceda. So I had to say okay, I believe maybe Bible is what people need in terms of change of character, and then being able to reconnect with their maker, and then being able to figure out what's happening kahle, who's the devil, how the devil works, and then yonke lento lena, and certain things answer impendulo about like the sufferings, why such sufferings nani because I know mina ukuthi nambe if I bengashintshanga I know ukuthi ngiyoba umgulukudu and bengiyokhosa more harm kuyaphambili but iBible yabona. So ngicina ngenza iBible app, and then other apps engiyenzile, it's a shopping, grocery shopping list. Basically what you do, the app, what it does, it helps you ukuthi your shopping list, instead of uyibhale phansi ngithi mawuye store uyabhala ngifune whatever uyabhala phansi nama prices nani. So you can do that within an app. You just put lama prices lawo. The nice thing, the feature there is the app is able to calculate the total on its by itself for you. When ufaka nje izinto yozithenga nama prices yona izo calculate ukuthi izoba imalini. And then enye calculator. So this calculator yona gilebe ngibonisa yona. So yona what ngisuke most of the time when among calculator, let's say maybe if you calculate something, I've realized that sometimes most Android smartphone calculators don't have that feature. You can calculate like maybe bill splitting. Mawuhambile nabangani ni 3 nihlele etafuleni, and then ipili ni otile lezinto otile nipili yafika mayifika ipili ithi 1,000 rand. So nimele ni split. So sometimes akusinoma ungubani ongakhona ukucabanga quick ukuthi okay bafethu sokhipha imali engaka yabona. Sometimes ku calculator is not straightforward, mele wazi some bit of a maths yabona, 1,000 divide by 3 whatever yabona, and then plus ne tip, calculate a tip. So I did an app that automatically does that. So when I ungena ku app kuphela, it's within my calculator. So in a mode, it changes mode. In a mode, the basic mode, which is basic numbers, calculating, calculator, minus whatever lezo, or you can switch to the other mode. Yeah, I'm a converters. You can check lama bill split and then it type abazalwane. So what it does, you just put the actual amount to your income, and then press on and it calculates at 10% from background. Same thing ne bill splitting, when you just put the actual bill upon a bill 1,000 rand, and then maybe percentage ye tip mhlambe ukuthi percentage ye tip esifuna ukuyifaka thina sithi 2% or 3% or 5% or 15%, nafaka 15%, and then bese niyasho ukuthi ningakhi ni 3, meaning kuzoba the actual amount bill efikayo, and then fake i-percentage ye-tip and then nisho ningakhe and mawuklika calculate yona izokutshela ukuthi okay the actual bill plus ne-percentage ye-tip iyimali engaka and then ukuthi each person contribution ya each person izoba imali engaka. So awulibeli ucracker ukhumbula ukuthi konje kumele uminus wenze, just do that, ufaka nje ama-figures and then calculator and then enye calculators even the length, because I've realized market these people you have to buy all these things ukuthi wenze. So I wanted to do one app ukuthi it's calculator and almost all the calculation, even scientific mode nginayo kahle kahle, but angaka implement. Ngifuna ukufaka a full functional scientific mode within that calculator, more especially for abantwana besikolo abanye abangena privilege of owning the actual scientific calculator. Yabona ukuthi okay, you can use your smartphone within that app ukuthi okay, you can get the same calculator for scientific functional things, those thing actual calculator, you can get them within the app. Yabo
lama app lawa atholakala
asatholakala e-laptopini yami kwamanje ama concept sewa right, most of them engikhuluma sewaphelela, just sokushota nje ngiregister i-Google Play and then ngizowafaka ku-Google Play. Okay, the other thing enginayo, ngisapusha i-YouTube, ngine channel ngishaya ama mixtape lapho. Yeah, ngishaya mixtape amanye ama-hot man, ngishaya soulful lapho, ngishaya soulful, mostly soulful house, music therapy mixtape. Music therapy mixtapes. The reason why I was able to cope with music, so I saw that as a way of coping without getting negative effects, except maurasa ge amadlebe. But I want okay, you can listen to your music and will produce that dopamine, you feel good, and if you are intentional about your life, you don't necessarily need to go to your bema, because upema will produce the same dopamine about the feel good feeling, the music, the good music produced. So it was my way of trying to cope more, especially without doing, because being bema at the time, in my head being paying so so I want to feel good, so I realize I can get the same feeling, I can, so hence the music therapy mixtape.
So now tell me, if umuntu ufuna ukwenzelwa i-app ngakhona umenzela?
Yeah, manje ngakhona ukumenzela. Ufuna i-partnership mhlawumbe angeza and then we do this clean money yabo, sekukhwabanisa abantu.
And then bangabafuna bakuthola?
Bangabe bangifuna kwamanje ngikhona ku Facebook uThabiso Elnach. Thabiso is THABISO and then L as in L for Lucas, and then Nache is NAGE. Thabiso Elnach on Facebook, like Thabiso Elnach on Facebook. Bazoyibona ngani inosfiso phezulu, inosfiso Terence phezulu. Kunabo Thabiso Nachinyana abaningi, but yami inosfiso Terence phezulu.